16-13. Laking pizza nun. Guillermo, nagkabanggaan sila ni Condada. De Leon, here's Myla Pablo. Guillermo, Sandra! Nakalusot yung tira doon ni Sandra De Los Santos, getting it in, 16-14. Lumalaban pa rin, pumapalag pa rin itong Perpetual.
So, you know, Sandra De Los Santos, again, no, reigning MVP, kaya niya maglusot eh.
Right.
Important eh.
At if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Sandra De Los Santos, unti-unting nakukuha na niya yung kanyang rhythm in this game. Si Tintin kanina pa nakukuha yung rhythm. So 17-14 ang ating score. Now, Jaja Santiago.
Dalawa pa rin spiker, Myla.
Hesitation serve. Pumito, tumigil muna.
Take your time.
Oo. Tubino. Opya! Sinong pumalo sa net? Tubino. At balik na naman sa apat ang kalamangan dito ng NU. Hindi talaga makalagwa itong Perpetual. Nalapit na nila sa 1 puntos kanina. At umarurot na naman itong NU. Lumamang na naman ang 4.
But NU actually doing a good job eh. May, you know, lalapit ang Perpetual, then they'll score the point.
Right. Pero if you were NU, you wouldn't want that to happen. Gusto mo talagang lumayo na ng todo, parang ginawa nila nung ating first set. Joy Cases, nakakuha na naman ng puntos. 18-15. Cases now serving. Down 3. Reyes, De Leon, Myla Pablo. Galing sa locker room yun, eh? Diretso, 19-15. Look at this. Where did she come from?
Nobody home.
Yan. 19-15. Pablo naghahanap ng kung saan niya mapapapunta yung kanyang service. Pinili niya si Cases. Guillermo, April Sartin. Reyes, nakakuha na naman ng stop. Mina Aganon, diretso sa Green Hills.
Medyo she found herself under the ball.
Right. 19-16. Substitution disallowed at this point. Or nilusot pala nila si Guillermo. So Argarin back, the guest player, starting center, former starting center ng Perpetual. Nice serve by Argarin. A great dig again by Reyes.
You can hear the coach, wag sa libero, wag sa libero.
Sartin, Reyes, De Leon dumping it in, and again Jen Reyes making things happen for NU.
That's right, and Ruby De Leon parang acknowledges her efforts.
Right.
Talking about Reyes with her own kill.
Again, you do not replace Jen Reyes in your lineup. Dito may hirapan ng NU sa darating na UAAP. How do you replace a superstar like that? Tubino, nice push. Nakuha niya yon galing dito. Hello, Jen. Nakuha niya yon style na yon galing kay Sandra. Si Jen Reyes hanggang dito habulin pa bago siya uminom ng tubig. Marami rito.
Natapon na eh.
20-17.
Pero yung ginawa ni Myla Pablo, we would, you know, try to tell the viewers who want to play volleyball, use your left hand. Ginawa na, she used her right hand eh.
Wow.
Na medyo nasa labas na.
Ito si Dindin using her right hand because that is the best weapon that she's got. At angat na naman sa 4 ang kalamangan dito ng NU. Jaja Santiago back in front, which means Ate Dindin is now serving. Dindin to put it in play. Sartin, Argarin, Sandra. Nice dig by Ruby. Mina Aganon. Kanina pa adjust si Aganon, pero hindi pa rin kinayang maitawid.
That's right. But you know, si Ruby talagang reflex, no?
Oo. Akala ko nagtatali lang siya ng sintas na nakaluhod. 21-18. Fine size Phenom serving. Reyes. De Leon. Combination now for Mina Aganon.
Again, no, just one blocker there.
At timeout naman ang itatawag ngayon dito ni Jason Sapin as that lead of NU is still 4 points.
Ang hirap depensahan eh. Umiikot yung bola, tinatapon mo siya. Wala man lang
At paano mo naman pipigilan ito? Aber, combination. Oh, kahit sino, hindi mo na alam eh.
Exactly.
Bantay na bantay itong si Dindin or si Jaja, tapos biglang iba papatay sa'yo doon. Aganon now to serve.
You know, that's proof of a great setter is if your spiker has just one or no blockers
Right.
because you fooled them.
Sandra off the block, it appears. Hindi tinawag yung check ball. 23 to 18. Ang gusto kong makita mamaya sa NU, probably in the third set, pag lumamang na naman sila ng malaki, ipasok si Ivy Perez or si Precious Salibad just to see kung may natutunan sila kay Ruby
That's true.
sa larong ito.
That's true.
Aganon serving. Argarin. Diaz, top spin. Almost worked. Back row. Dindin. Condada. Argarin. Joy Cases on the angle. Oh, yeah, Joy Cases. Hindi nakapreno.
She
Diretso.
tried there. I saw her reaction talagang just couldn't.
Ayan, mukha pa yata niya tumama. Sanay. Ayan, tinitignan niyo kung buo pa yung ipin niya. Time out, Perpetual.
Dami yung binibigay niyo po kasi walang nakating ko eh.
Six set points for NU. Aganon serving. Argarin, Cases na ilusot kay Jaja at kay Aiko.
That's right, a good job there. Pero yung pag niloko ni Pablo si Ruby, mamaya hindi siya bigyan ng set.
Ayan, nag-uusap na ulit yung dalawa.
Sorry na, sorry na.
24-19. Jane Diaz, former serve specialist. And you can see why.
Yep.
Ano ba gusto ko yung mga right on cue na pakitang gilas. Yan.
And that wasn't easy dahil si Jen Reyes ang receiving party.
Oh, pero katabi niya si Aiko Ordaz. Actually, that was Aiko's area. So, tignan natin if Jane Diaz can get the Lady Perps back in this. Jen Reyes with a better reception this time. Jaja Condada saving it. Sandra De Los Santos for Joy Cases.
Wow, Cases has been getting through this Jaja Santiago block.
Tignan natin kung may joke time ulit dito sa timeout ni Edget Mabayad, ha?
Apa. Isang receive na naman, Aiko. Apa ba yan to? Isang titignan nyo lang, sundan nyo yung bola. Ilan sa mo? Tatlo naman. Dalawa. Walay lang. Tayo. Tama na. Tama na.
Tama na nga, patamaan na siya. Triple set point for NU to try to take a 2-0 lead sa laban na ito. Nice serve again from Diaz. Here's Myla Pablo. Nice dig. Wala na, hindi na maabutan niya. So, sino unang nagpatawa ng timeout? Siya na rin ang nagtapos. Myla Pablo. There's a closer window for NU, 25-21. Kanina po, 25-14 ng ating first set. But nevertheless, NU pa rin ang nakakuha ng ating second set. As masasaksihan natin ngayon ang ating shake and play.
Yung nagpapatawa.
Oh, yan na. Siya na. Tama na. Ngayon, pwede na ulit kayo mag-joke time.